What's up, my Pugnos? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys this content here. As the title suggests, guys, we're going to be going over an awesome video and digital camera recorder here from the folks at Kmeier. This is a great way to be able to level up your home movies, to be able to shoot on the go, and also to be able to shoot in high quality HD. The Kmeier digital camera recorder here is a great way to be able to level up your lifestyle, home movies, bring to an amusement park. You can have it at sports games, Little League games, all that good stuff. In the box, this is everything you're gonna get. You're gonna get a nice microfiber compact case here that can fit on your belt if you need, that has the camcorder itself. You've obviously got the video out if you wanted to connect it to your computer. It comes with 2 batteries, which is great, and a charger plug for you to be able to charge it. Setup and demonstration is super straightforward here. Let's go ahead and install the battery for the first time. Equipped with a 3.7 1000 milliamp battery here, this is going to be able to power it. Built with a Cosmos sensor that supports 32 gigabyte SD cards, and it shoots in 1080p. And the best part about it here is the lens itself does shoot up to 10x optical zoom. With an f-stop of 3.2, it's got a 36 millimeter lens. It's super simple to just set up and turn on the go. The SD card chamber is right there. You just go ahead and place it in. There you go, close it shut, and you're ready to shoot. First thing you want to do is format your SD card. You turn the camera back on, and now you're all set to go with the SD card. The record button is conveniently placed here on the side. You press the button, and now you're ready to record with that record blinking dot. You also know that you're recording here as well. Let's go ahead and show it for the first time. You can see the viewfinder has the ability to turn and rotate 360 degrees if you want to do selfie. And you got the ability to zoom in here. It's pretty stable nonetheless. At 38 millimeter, you're still able to have a pretty good selfie shot here if that's something that you're interested in. It gets pretty high quality shots here at f3.2. Here are all your settings here. You can set your mode set to auto and it will adjust accordingly, or you can set it up here for night, portrait, landscape, backlight, sports, party, etc. You can go into movie set here if you'd like. You can change your movie size all the way down to 480p if that's something you want, or 1080p. Additionally, you can turn on beauty face, which does some enhancements. You can adjust your EV, ISO, effect, sharpness, white balance. If you hit the mode button, you're able to go into the settings and change the language, set the date, put power saving. You can actually turn the beep off if you'd like. Change your frequency. 60 Hertz is the US setting. This is how you do your TV output. Filter your card and set your defaults back up. If you want to switch from video, you just push the mode button once. It'll switch to photos, and you can take your high quality 23 megapixel photos. Charging is really straightforward here. It comes with a plug. You go ahead and charge it, plug it in, and then you take the out port. It's going to charge for you. And it's charging here with that indicator right there. So you can set this up as a webcam if you'd like. You have to switch it to PC camera. Once you do that, pull up your camera. As you can see in the meeting here, I've got the camera all set up. You can see as I move it, it's acting as webcam. Really straightforward. All I had to do was plug it into the USB, change the setting here over to PC camera, and I can do it no problem. Now we're recording outside. I think it looks great. My backyard. In conclusion, Pugnos, a pretty cool little camera here to be able to act as a webcam, to be able to have also to shoot family videos, all that good stuff. It's got tons of settings here, tons of ways to be able to level up your lifestyle, and it's in the camcorder fashion here that's super comfortable, charges really fast here.